Hey, what's good, YouTube world? Prash here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, which I'm actually very excited for because it's a little bit different from what I've done previously on my channel. So as you probably all know, I love all types of tech, whether it's phones, headphones, smartwatches, all that good stuff. But I gotta say, I honestly have a soft spot for retro-themed tech. And so today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Divoom Ditoo Pro. Ditoo Pro? Okay, so I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks very cool, and that's what matters. All right, so let me get it out of this nice little bag that it comes with. Oh, wow, I gotta say, this is actually really cool. All right, let me go ahead and peel away this plastic. All right, before we get into it, I just want to say, for those who are unfamiliar with this product, it's essentially a portable speaker which also has this really cool screen that allows you to display different types of pixel art, which you can actually configure using an app, which is actually really cool because it allows you to not only play music, but you can display your custom art as well. And one thing I really like is that it comes in this really nice carry case here, which also just kind of allows you to scan the QR code and download the app, which allows you to configure the display. Not a lot of companies doing this, so yeah, gotta give them props there. All right, so to open this up, I think you just gotta press this little button here, and it opens just like that. Let's pull this out here. Oh man, this is actually really cool. And also, I think this can actually allow you to play some old 8-bit video games as well. I'm not too sure about that. I'm gonna have to try and check it, but I think you can play a few games on this, which is, again, another added bonus here. I'm all for that. But yeah, let's just peel away this plastic. All right, let's see if I can boot this up. And I think there's a little button here you can press, or actually a tab that you can pull and press. All right, let's see if this boots it up. Oh, damn. All right, I gotta say that was actually pretty cool. It's definitely an old school retro themed boot up sound, as well as the kind of animation, which really is kind of the epitome of like those old early 2000s computers. So yeah, I'm really digging that. And I gotta say the screen itself is actually really nice. And you've got a little clock thing as well. So yeah, it can double as a lot of things, I will say. So there is a lot of versatility here. And yeah, so this is pretty much it booted up. And I gotta say, I'm really excited to test this out and come out with my review for it. So yeah, so this has been it for my unboxing of the Divoom portable speaker. I gotta say, I really love this retro style. And even just the boot up animation was super sick with that crazy noise. And I absolutely cannot wait to test out all the features of this portable speaker. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, leave a comment below. And it looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.